not a game, it's a rich thing.
Good morning, Informed Beauty. EuniyceMari here. And so today we're going to be reviewing the Teami Beauty Mask Restorative Clay Facial with Zinc Oxide, Kaolin Clay, and Butterfly Pea. You guys know I love a great face mask, and so Teami sent me this to review, and I'm really excited to see how this works out for me. If you guys remember, I used their green tea detox mask, and that is one of my favorites till today. So I'm really excited to get my hands on this and to try this. So let's jump into all the details and the application. So what first really caught my eye with this product was the color. The color of this product is so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys. I've never seen a product this blue before, but so pretty. It's gonna look pretty going on, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So look at that blue. That product is so pretty. So this face mask is natural, it's vegan, non-GMO, certified cruelty-free, and it's made in Florida. It doesn't have any alcohol, parabens, silenced harmful chemical, or synthetic dyes. And pretty much it says Teami's Beauty Mask is a repairing facial mask created to rejuvenate and restore skin to its natural balance, formulated with butterfly flower. I never used butterfly flower before, so this will also be a first time for me. Which is a rich antioxidant, zinc oxide, a key mineral ingredient in your skin's dietary deficient squat, and Kaolin Clay, a gentle exfoliator perfect for all skin types. I used Kaolin Clay before. I actually really do like it. So how this works is that you want to go ahead and slightly dampen your face with water. With fingertips or a mask applicator brush, apply a thin to medium layer on face and neck. Allow 10-15 minutes for the mask to dry and fully take effect. Wash off with lukewarm water and pat skin dry. You can use this 1 to 4 times a day. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's jump into applying this onto my face. Okay, so I'm slightly dampening my face, and before I begin applying the mask, I also want to let you guys know that I did clean my face. So you want to make sure that you're doing this on a clean face. Whenever you do a mask, do it on a clean face. Okay, so I did cleanse my face down, nothing's on it, and now we're going to go ahead and we're going to apply this beautiful mask. Now the consistency of this mask is a lot thinner than the detox mask. It's not as thick as a detox mask. I'm going to use what's on the lid here, but look at that. So it's not as thick as a detox mask is. It's a little bit of a looser consistency, and I'm just going to apply it with my fingers. Oh, that's so pretty. I am loving the color of this mask. Like, it is so pretty.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the face mask is all applied. Look at that beautiful, beautiful color. I really do love the color of this mask. It just really just stands out and it's different. So a few things to mention while this dries that we can talk about is that I like the way that it feels going on. You can feel a little bit of a tingle when you are applying this. The consistency of this reminds me more of something like a putty, I would say. It kind of feels like a putty to touch. It's kind of gooey, not gooey, but more putty-y / gooey consistency, if you get that. It's definitely a different face mask than I ever tried before. I never tried a face mask of this consistency, and so that's a little bit different for me. I'm so used to working with more solid clay mask, but this one's a lot more on that puttier side of it. Okay, it does have a little bit of a fragrance to it, slightly. It's not anything that's overbearing, because personally for me, I don't like super overbearing fragrances in my skincare products or makeup. So it has a nice little scent to it, nothing overbearing, and you can feel a little tingle as it's on, but nonetheless it feels really good and really refreshing on the face. What else? Oh, it can be a bit messy. So I would say make sure you are doing this in your bathroom over a sink, and you are being very careful with how you're applying it, because it is more of a looser texture. You can easily put your finger in and it can easily drip onto your floor, your carpet, whatnot. And because it's blue, that may not work so well. So you want to make sure you are doing this over a sink and just taking your time with doing it. I definitely like it. It's very different. I love the color of it. It is so pretty. And by the way, I do have a coupon code for you guys. So if you use my coupon code EuniyceMari25, link will be down below, you get 25% off of this mask. Okay, you guys, I'm back. And so it's probably been like not even 10 minutes, and this mask has already started to, if you can see, it's already started to like, because I was like, you know, I was eating, but and I noticed that there was like little blue flakes on me, and I was like, what? So I went and took a look, and it already seems like it just started to crumble off of my face. It feels dry, so I guess it's now time to remove it. Yeah, it does feel dry now, and it just started to actually crumble a little bit, but it hasn't even been like, I would say 10 minutes, so that's a little interesting. I don't know if it's the weather or whatnot, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna remove this mask. And also to remove the mask, I'm gonna use a sponge. That just makes it, I feel, a little bit easier for me. Okay, so my face is rinsed off, and let's go ahead and get into my thoughts on this mask. So when removing it, when this bad boy dries, it immediately crumbles. And like I said, it took a lot longer, it took a quicker for it to dry on my skin. I don't know what that was about, but it said 10 to 15 minutes, but it was under 10 minutes, and that bad boy was dry, okay? And it started to crumble, like, you know, on my face and everything. Removing it is pretty cool. I think removing it, you can just use straight water to rinse it down. That's probably the best way to do it. But for me, I just decided to use a sponge because it's just more control when removing a mask for me. But you can also just rinse the face with water. And that's what I did afterwards, just to make sure that everything was removed. My skin feels pretty good. It doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel overly moisturized. It doesn't feel any of that. It feels really good. It's smooth to touch. It feels good, you know. I definitely have never tried the butterfly flower before, so that is something that is the first time for me. And I'm really curious if that's something that'll make a difference in my skincare or how my skin looks. But nonetheless, this is definitely a unique mask, and I definitely want to use this a few more times and try it out a little bit more. But overall, it's a great mask. So I do have a coupon code for you guys, EuniyceMari25. You can go ahead and get 25% off from this mask, the detox mask, the vitamin C serum, and also I will link the other videos that I've done previously about the detox mask, as well as other skincare by Teami, so you guys can go and see those. But with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.